Hey y'all, Lindsey here, back with another dose of weekly whimsy. I know I was MIA last week, blame it on my wisdom teeth removal. Looking like a chipmunk was an experience, but I am back better than ever and ready to explore the exciting world of tech. Let's jump in. Our Discord has seen a little bit of a growth spurt since I've been gone, with 40 new members, tallying up to a total of 3,776 members. Our community is buzzing with the latest tech conversations and ideas, so if you're not already in our server, the link will be below as always. Switching over to Powered by Pinata, let's spotlight Isekai Meta. It's a mesmerizing blend of hand-drawn NFT art and metaverse tales, deeply rooted in pop culture, lo-fi vibes, and Japanese anime. Just to paint a picture, imagine the enchanting world of Studio Ghibli meeting the charm of Web3 storytelling. Isekai translates to different world, fittingly symbolizing the fresh, imaginative worlds this project brings to life. Got plans from November 13th to 19th? Here's something you might find interesting. Dev Connect in Istanbul. While the Pinata team won't be there, it's a hub for Ethereum enthusiasts. Deep dives into Ethereum's most pressing issues, engaging networking opportunities, all wrapped up with the beauty of Istanbul. Shifting gears over to Web3 news, did you know that you can send crypto using just a regular .com domain? Unstoppable Domains, a prominent Web3 domain provider, has bridged the gap. With this, they've expanded the potential for domain-to-domain crypto payments, a bold move expanding their reach by leaps and bounds. And now for a slice of tech wisdom. Today we'll be discussing the interplay between ERC 721 NFTs and ERC 6551 token-bound accounts. Moving beyond the era of static JPEGs, the ERC 6551 or token-bound accounts is reshaping how we view NFTs on Ethereum and EVM blockchains. This evolution lets NFTs own tokens, manage other NFTs, oversee token transfers, and even greenlight blockchain transactions. Dive into our latest blog for a step-by-step guide on this groundbreaking innovation. And that's a wrap on this week's Weekly Whimsy. If you found any value in today's deep dives, consider subscribing and hitting the like buttons down below. It really means a lot to me. But until next week, keep exploring and happy pinning. Bye!